Welcome to the first of a series of videos on the anatomy of the human brain. Understanding human brain anatomy is of considerable import to students doing linguistics in general and psycholinguistics in particular. Language, after all, has been shown to be associated with specific brain structures, as when we talk about Broca's area, for example, or Wernicke's area, the arcuate facilicus, and so on and so forth. Each of these parts will be topics for our next videos. In this introductory video, we will explore a larger structure of which the brain is only one part. This has to do with the nervous system, which extends all through the human body. The nervous system is customarily divided into two parts, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord. The spinal cord is an actual extension of the brain. You may have heard of people with brain diseases undergoing what is called lumbar puncture, la ponction lombaire, where a fluid known as the cerebrospinal fluid, le liquide céphalorachidien, is extracted from the back, from the spinal cord, to detect the nature of a possible brain problem. The main function of the central nervous system is that it interprets sensory input and regulates motor output. As for the peripheral nervous system, it connects the central nervous system to the rest of the body. And this system, the peripheral nervous system, is further subdivided into two parts. The somatic nervous system, which controls voluntary movement, like when you decide, for example, to move your hand to click on the subscribe button to your academic companion. The second part is known as the autonomic nervous system, which controls involuntary functions like heartbeats, like digestion, and so forth. The transmission of these voluntary and involuntary sensory motor messages is mediated by a special type of cells called neurons. Again, neurons will be the object of one of our next videos. So stay tuned and thank you very much for your interest.
Free audio post-production by alphonic.com